Yo, what's up guys? In this lesson, we will use the example of wave building facade making to relate how do we repeat the command. Let's go to the file. You can download all of these files from our website. Cool. Then you can say there is an example and we do this one by practice this model. Okay? Delete this one. And in the last tutorial, we learned how do we use flow along curve command. Let's review it. Click it and find the object. This is our object. And I have already drawn a base curve before it. We should press enter. You need to read your command bar. There is a reminder. Press enter and find the base curve. You need to make sure we want the options to be copy yes and stretch yes. Cool. And now we should select the target curve. This point, we have done the first one. And then let's do the next one. Click flow along curve. And the object, press enter, the baseline, and the target line. Cool. Then the next one. I don't think you want to click this command every time, because if you don't drag it, you should find it like this every time. It's very tired, right? So how do we repeat the last command? Let's try the first method. We can right click on your mouse and then you see your command bar. It's repeated the last command you use. Select objects to flow along curve. This one, and then press enter, baseline, and the target line. Cool. And do we have any other method? Yes, we do. You can press space command on your keyboard. Press space. Cool. You say the command bar is repeated the last command, right? And then the object, press enter, base curve, and then we can choose the target curve now. Cool. And also you can press enter to repeat the last command. Try it. You see your command bar? It works. Select object to flow along curve, this one, and press enter, base curve, and then the target curve. Cool. Let's do it again. Select object, base curve, and let's try this one, target curve. Let me do it again. Object, press enter, base curve, and target curve. Cool. Press space, object, press enter. If we choose another end of the line, let's see what will happen. And then let's try the target curve. I select this point. You see, is something wrong for this one, right? The object is going into our box. Delete it. For the command in Rhino, they have directions, right? If we select the object, press enter, this endpoint, and if you want to select the bottom part for the object, we should select the bottom part for our target curve, right? Okay. Then we make a good one. Okay guys, practice it. In this tutorial, we learned how to repeat the commands. The first one is we just right click our mouse, and the second method is we can press space on your keyboard, and the third one is we can press enter. Cool guys, do it. See you in the next tutorial.